Hello again. Let's talk about the letter N, which is the 14th letter of the alphabet. N is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter N has a shape that looks like a vertical line with a diagonal line attached to its right side. It is important to remember how to draw the letter N correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter N makes a special sound, the N sound. This sound is made by pressing the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth behind your upper teeth and letting out a soft hum with your voice. Some common words that start with the letter N include nose, net, and nest. Words that have the letter N in them are all around us. We might see some colorful flowers in a garden, or eat a nutritious nut for a snack. We might also read a book about a curious ninja, or count the numbers on a calendar. Remembering the letter N is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big N for the letter N, and get ready to continue exploring the amazing world of language. Please support our channel by clicking like and subscribe. Thank you!